Alright, we got a Xiaomi robot vacuum cleaner, and this one has a head sensor issue, laser head. Apparently it's been damaged, and we got a replacement part. That's a genuine Xiaomi part. That's the package that arrived. That's the part number, straight from the factory. The laser sensor is not turning, and because of that it cannot find its location. So let's replace it. So we need to remove this cover somehow. Okay, maybe not. So these lids have to come out. Maybe a screw holder for them, maybe. Okay. 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 Alright, let me just look up the guide on this and I'll be back. Okay, so basically it's supposed to come out. Oh yeah. Yep. Some clips there. Maybe use a prying tool. Okay, there we go. So a bunch of 3 screws there. Let's remove them all. Okay. So need to figure out, make sure we put them in the right way. So that needs to be on top, just like that. Okay. Okay, can't go wrong. Okay. So they put a warranty sticker, which doesn't do anything. Okay. I wonder if there are screw holders. Let me see. Yes. So these are different type of screws. Cool. Okay. So that's a new one. That would simply go on like that. Okay. I see. Okay. Bit of dust there. Give it a quick blow with the blower while we get it open. There we go. Five volts, 0.35 amps, okay. Very simple procedure. There's a micro USB port there for programming it, or maybe flashing it, I'm not sure. Okay, that's done. Nice. Okay. Okay. Now the cover. So before it wouldn't find its location, it will just turn off after turning on. I see, so these are just 5 clips, they just click in. Okay, you can't really go wrong. Okay, let's see if it will work. Okay. Ah, bummer. Okay, 1 sec. Yeah, that's good. So the top is spinning. Alright, Saichen. So just out of curiosity, so he wouldn't turn on at 5 volts. Just have a quick look at why. Power supply set at 5 volts. So he is turning. Maybe it was being squashed. Anyway, I'll keep this for spare parts if the new one fails. No, it's working fine. But anyway, it wouldn't turn in the machine, maybe it was being squashed. That's the only thing I can think of. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.